Hi everyone, Joana here. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to day 5 of the 30-day 100 rep challenge. I'm so excited. We're back to the ab exercise. Let's go. We're doing ab leg raises for 100 reps, but we are alternating the legs, so no worries. Let's go. Let's not waste our time. Lay down on your back. Place your hands underneath your body for support. Keep your legs as straight as possible. And now lower one leg down, lift up. Keep your lower back pressed against the mat all the time, so no gap between the lower back and the mat. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. Keep going. Thirty. 40. 50. We're halfway through this workout. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 60. 70. Keep breathing. 80. Last 20 reps. We've got this. Last 10 reps. Let's do a countdown. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And we did it! So your knees, roll up. And that was it. Day 5 is in the books. Thank you so much for joining me. Hope you enjoy day 5. My abs are feeling great. Go enjoy your day. Be good, feel good, stay active. I'm gonna see you tomorrow for day 6.